Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, September 28th, and this is my analysis for gold, and I'm on the monthly time frame. So, anyways, on gold, I mean, it is extremely clear to me that we are definitely still within a wave three. Wave threes are always supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, which is why this is such a big, strong trend. On the monthly, we're only at the 200%. Just keep in mind that I've seen wave threes go beyond the 361.8%. This does not have to stop here. It could easily keep trending up. Yes, it seems overextended, but overextended to who? It's definitely not overextended based on the Fibonacci extension levels. Like I said, I've seen wave threes go way beyond the 361%. So definitely still a wave three. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is where we can see the wave three trend, right? Because we got the end of a wave two way down here. Then we got a one, two, three. Maybe this is a four, maybe this is a five. There's definitely no significant lower high. There's definitely no break of structure to the downside. There's definitely no reason yet to say the wave three is complete. So going down to the 4 hour time frame or the daily time frame, I'm sorry. On the daily time frame, we have maybe the end of a wave four right here, and then we have a brand new trend starting. So we have a wave one, we have a wave two, and we likely have a wave three. So the trend that started right here on the daily time frame is likely in a wave three, which means that this trend will probably need to make a wave four pullback and a wave five also. So just to finish off the trend that started here, we're going to need to see a wave four and a wave five also. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. So we may be starting the wave four now. If it is a wave four, then it definitely will go down and start taking out some of these structures at some point. We have possibly one down, three up. Now, the thing is it doesn't have to be a wave four yet. This could just be a pullback to the last wave up. It could literally go down here to a fib level, make another higher low, and then just continue the uptrend and still be a wave three on the daily and the weekly. I know this is probably not the analysis that a lot of people are looking for, but we have to come to the reality that the wave three does not have to end anytime soon. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I think we are potentially starting a wave C to the downside. I think this is an A right here. I think this is a B. I think we are likely going down, possibly to one of those 4 hour time frame Fibonacci levels. Let's go back up there real quick so I can show you. If this is a wave C, then it might just go down to like the 50, 61, or the 78%, and then just continue the uptrend. If it really is a wave four in the higher time frames, this is going to stretch out into a much bigger pattern and it will go down and it will take out the 100% Fibonacci extension. So anyways, either way, we're looking for shorts, right? While we're looking for shorts, if it goes down, takes out all these lows and then goes to a Fibonacci retracement level in the 4 hour time frame and then breaks structure to the upside, that's the shape of an ABC crescent. And at that point, we definitely need to get bullish again. Could still be a wave three. On the other hand, if it goes down, it just makes lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and eventually breaks that structure that I was talking about, then that's what's going to prove to me that this wave three, at least on the daily time frame, is complete. Definitely no reason to say that this is not just another pullback within an uptrend like this. So please be very careful with your shorts on gold. It doesn't even really have to go down and take out the low wave A. It could make a higher low and keep on going up. I would still be very cautious about my shorts. I would definitely still be trying to keep an eye on any long opportunities that I possibly may see. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.